Hey, today we're going to make savory breakfast bowl just for you to start your morning right. So we're going to start with a frying pan, heat it up, and we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of olive oil on medium-high heat. I'm then going to get 1/4 of a white onion and just chop it up as well as you can and add it into the frying pan. Cook until the onion is translucent. It will take around 3-4 minutes, so very quickly. Then we're going to get 1 clove of garlic and just press it into the pan and cook for another 30 seconds. Afterwards, I'm going to pop in 2 cups of baby spinach, make sure it's washed, and of course 6 half cherry tomatoes, so just half them before adding them in. And here you go, we're going to cook this for around 2 minutes until spinach is wilted and cherry tomatoes are slightly cooked. So that was quick enough, and we have our spinach and tomatoes ready. Now what we want to do is add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the empty frying pan. We're going to then get 1 medium sweet potato, peel it and slice it thinly. I chopped it a little bit and then sliced, and we want to place them in 1 layer on the frying pan. I'm going to then sprinkle with salt, black pepper, garlic powder and dried oregano. We want to slightly lower the heat and let the potatoes cook until they're slightly brown and soft. It will take around 4-6 minutes on one side. I'm then going to flip the potato slices and sprinkle the other side with salt, black pepper, garlic and dried oregano. And we're going to cook for another 4-6 minutes until both sides are lovely cooked and soft. Do make sure to add more oil if necessary, don't be afraid of it. Now once all of that is done, I'm going to transfer my potatoes into a bowl where my spinach and tomato is. And then I'm going to top up the bowl with avocado. I'm going to get half an avocado and just slice it up and add it into the bowl, just like that. I'm then going to slice up half a red pepper, add it into the bowl as well. It really is nice and refreshing to all of this. And then we're going to get our 2 boiled eggs sliced and add them on as well. You can use fried or scrambled egg as well, it's up to you. And I'm then going to grate 3 tablespoons of Parmesan all over, sprinkle it all over, grate it, have fun with it. Parmesan is so delicious. And then we're going to chop some fresh parsley or any other herb. If you love dill, do that. And we're going to just sprinkle it around to enjoy it. So here we go. We have our savory breakfast bowl, pretty easy to make, full of nutrition, full of healthy fats and protein. It's vegetarian, it's super filling. It's a great way to start a hefty day. Enjoy.